Oh, hi guys. Today is the boiler day. Um, we already we already disconnect the boiler from from there, and there was a water heater sitting right next to it. What's gonna happen is we're gonna be installing an IBC boiler, a Combi boiler. So I already reconnected the pipes, the shutouts for the house. They were leaking, so I put new ones, put new shut-offs for the house, drain the house. We're gonna go gas tight from here, shut this. We're gonna reuse the expansion tank, which is pretty good. Shut the shut-off for the shut the gas for the water heater. That'll be our hot water, and that little pipe there will be our watering for domestic, and we're gonna add to that the water feed for the boiler. So this is gonna be good. I'm gonna try to hang the boiler in that wall, probably not because it's very uneven, but worst case scenario, we'll hang it on this wall, which is most likely what's gonna happen. Already roughed in the venting right up there, as you can see. And yeah, so we're gonna be adding bunch of goodies here. So we're gonna be putting a new pump for the house, because the boiler comes with a boiler pump for the primary loop. Also we're gonna be putting this low water cutoff. This is the flanges for the tank, for the pump, 1.25 inch service valves. We're gonna put it for the domestic side. Water feed and backflow preventer. We're gonna put the dirt magnets. That's pretty good. I like this. And we're gonna put in these valves just for service of the boiler on the heating loop. And this here is our TechMar control, one zone for control, one zone. And also we order that little thing there, which is our primary loop, already beautifully set up there. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing all that today. I'm just gonna take this boiler apart because this boiler is about 200 350,000 BTU. It's pretty heavy. First, it's gonna mess up my dolly, and it's very tight space down here, so I'm just gonna take it apart and I'll keep you guys updated. Hello guys, so we're calling for the day today. Here's the new baby. We're gonna leave the material in the furnace room, and yeah, it's hanging there. Tomorrow when I come back, I'll show you everything else what we've done. But yeah, so that boiler, it was a mission. I'm gonna have to remove it because it was one of the old ones that I couldn't even take it apart. So even the walls of the boiler was part of the heat exchanger. So yeah, tomorrow we will connect the rest. Hello guys, we're back here. The boiler job. We've been very busy this morning. Just putting all the plumbing back. As you can see, all the plumbing is back in there. We connect the domestic side. Connect the domestic side right there. And this goes to the tankless side, to the domestic right down there. And that's the hot that comes back and connects over here in this valve in the hot. And then, as you can see there, we have our water feed. Our water feed right here with the backflow. There is our expansion tank and our circulator for the house. And down there we got the dirt magnets, and now we're gonna do the gas. And then my helper just went for lunch, so when he comes back, we're gonna open the system, fill the system, bleed all the rats, and yeah, we go from there. We might be starting up this baby today. Okay guys, we just finished the boiler. There you go, all wired up, and this is what it is. It's the IBC the IBC Combi. There you go. There you go. We put a tag mark control box for one zone. We use a Willow pump, new water feed and backflow preventer up there. And obviously we added the low water cutoff, or take a low water cutoff. Put a condensate pump also to pump the water away from this room, but there is no rain, no drain. And yeah, this is our primary loop in there. Everything is open. We already tested as the magnet. We got some service valves right there for the heating side, service valves for the domestic side. Yep. That's there you go. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.